Hey, what's up you guys? So today's video is more of just a PSA. It's going to be a quick video. I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know, don't be making your own sunscreen this summer and don't be selling sunscreen. So I got inspired to make this video because I was on SwiftCraftyMonkey's blog. If you don't know, SwiftCraftyMonkey is a blog where I basically learned everything I know about formulating. I'll link it down below. But every summer she always posts a PSA blog about why you should not be making your own sunscreen, and I figured it would be a good idea for me to do this too, since I've gotten a lot of comments from you guys asking me to make my own sunscreen. And I will admit, I did make my own sunscreen a few years back here on my channel. That video is now private, and I've learned, obviously. We all learn eventually, so it's okay to make mistakes. We all do. But first off, let's talk about why you can't sell your own sunscreen. So once you say a product is a sunscreen, it is considered a drug. So there's a huge thing when it comes to cosmetics and drugs. There's a fine line between it. So make sure you know what words and what products are considered drugs and which are considered cosmetics. I've done a video over this in the past. I'll link that video down below if you guys want to watch it to understand more. But basically what you need to know for now is if you say a product is a sunscreen, it is considered a drug and it has to be approved by the FDA to be sold as a sunscreen. So if you're selling something and it's called a sunscreen, you probably better get rid of it because it's illegal to do that. So that's why you can't sell it, but let's talk about why you shouldn't be making it for yourself. Obviously, it's your own skin. You're only risking yourself. I mean, people go out every day, don't even use an SPF. So I mean, I guess you do you, but I recommend not making your own sunscreen and using it because there's no way you can technically prove it. You could spend a whole day out in the sun and not get a sunburn from it, but is it really protecting your skin from UV damage? You don't really know for sure. So just stay on the safe side and use an actual FDA-approved sunscreen. If you do decide to use your own homemade sunscreen, obviously I can't stop you, but please do not give it to any friends or family, because if you give them this sunscreen and they're using it all day and they end up with some kind of really bad sunburn like sun poisoning or potentially even skin cancer later in the future, you don't want that hanging on your shoulders. So do not give your sunscreen to other people to use because you don't want their health riding on your back. So don't do it. Please just, save your own butt. You don't want to do harm to other people's skin. So don't be making your own sunscreen. Don't be selling it. Don't be giving it to other people. It's your own choice to make your own sunscreen and use it on yourself. I can't stop you, but please, I don't recommend it. And I will never be making a homemade sunscreen here on my channel, so you'll never see that. But yeah, so there's my PSA for today. I know this video is short, so let's just get on to the Patreon shoutouts. First is Essence of Nature over on Etsy, at Stardust Bath & Body over on Instagram, Nature's Farm Girl at naturesfarmgirl.com, Kennedy's Essentials at kennedysessentials.net, LettsBlend at letsblend.bigcartel.com, Creative with Love at creativewithlove.me, Trina's Jewelry Box over on Etsy, Wallflower Wildflower at wallflowerwildflower.com, Heartfelt Beauty here on YouTube if you want some more formulating videos, HSB Organics at hsborganics.com, Yellow Hippie Store over on Etsy, I Am Beautia at iambeautia.com, and Sugared Pineapple at sugared_pineapple over on Instagram, and they sell custom stainless steel tumblers. So I do thank you all so much for being a patron. Go check out my patrons. I'll have all their links down in my description box. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do sell my own skincare products over on Etsy. So go check out my Etsy shop if you're interested in that kind of stuff. I'll have it linked up here and down in the description box for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Hope you learned something new. Hope now you understand why you shouldn't be making your own sunscreen and why you can't sell it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time like I'm I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision, now I'm on a mission to find myself.